Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fix Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to download the PW Physics Walla app on your Lenovo laptop. Keep watching because I'll show you the easiest method. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet. Now open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type PW for PC and press enter. From the search results, open the official Physics Walla website. Once the website opens, sign in using your registered mobile number if you're not already logged in. After logging in, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install Page as App. A small window will appear. You can keep the app name as PW, then click Install. That's it. In a few seconds, the PW app will be installed on your laptop. You can launch it directly from your desktop or Start menu and start attending your classes without opening the browser every time. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more Lenovo laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.